Now, without doubt, the best diesel hatchback you can buy. I literally don't have one bad thing to say about these cars. This is the Mk8 Golf GTD. This is a 2022 registration. It's got to be the best one for sale. We've had a few of these recently. This one is up there. Panoramic Sunroof, 19-inch Adelaide wheels, Atlantic blue. The car's done 1,200 miles. It's in a like-new condition. Impossible, and I mean just impossible to go and buy brand new. This is as good as. Going on our website now, it won't last long, and it's all about the spec. This one's got winter pack, but it's got the upgraded winter pack with heated steering wheel, heated seats. Look at the front end of this, the most modern front end from a hatch you can get. This LED light strip across the front, 5-pin fogs which are LED daytime driving light. It's all about the wheels for me, Adelaide wheels. If you're a golf person, a golf enthusiast, you know how important these features are. Bi-coloured, so black with polished edges, red braking calipers, then that other feature that's all important on these, that sunroof, tilt and sliding panoramic sunroof. Now I love these cars because 5 doors, lots of space, it's so fuel efficient, 2-litre diesel engine, but it is quick, it's nimble, it's agile, it looks great, it drives even better. Such a fun car to drive. IQ lights to the rear, the boot's locked. Let me just open it while I'm... But they come fully loaded, like, you know, with things like adaptive cruise control. This one's got reversing camera as well, another massive feature. Lots of boot space, through-load facilities, folding seats, front and rear sensors, but that reversing camera as well. It's another massive option. You'll see the new Golf 8 have got GTD under that VW badge. It's just lifted that back end with these new IQ lights as well. Just a phenomenal car. I love this colour, and I think it looks great even more so with the colour of the wheels, with that sunroof, with the privacy glass. Very sporty. Inside, again, you know, the traditional side of these cars have been kept by VW, so the crosshatch, tartan cloth, rear climate control is digitalised. You'll also see rear USB points down there, the new style USBs. And then this wraparound cockpit. The seats are so sporty in these GTDs. The features you're going to want. I mean, this car is an incredible car. I've sold these cars to people who've preferred them over something bigger like a Mercedes C-Class or a Mercedes E-Class or a BMW 3 Series, because it still gives you everything that those cars do, but it's better on fuel, probably better to drive, more fun, and they give you a few better options, like that front end. Sit further back. Now, in one of these cars, the steering wheel is like the Batmobile steering wheel for me, the shape of it, I love it. It's also heated, a little button there, and we've got adaptive cruise control on the left-hand side, switchable here with lane departure. Now this has got upgraded winter pack, so we've got heated front seats, everything's selectable off the main screen, your climate control, all very easy to use, but it all works from here, and I love that. Your assistant settings with adaptive cruise, and then reversing camera, 360 graphic. Down here you've got wireless phone charging, hill assist, electric park brake. You've also got this lovely short shifter, 2 keys for the car. There's nothing not to like about this thing. It's in a new condition. It's done 1,223 miles. It's a 22 registration, balance of manufacturer's warranty remaining until 2025. It's a great colour. It's got the right wheels. It's got a sunroof. It's a cracker. Go on the website now. My name's Richard. Use my number on the screen. Chat to me about this car on WhatsApp or give me a call. Thanks for watching.